Hello, today we talk how deposit EUR into your account. Let's start. So first of all, you need press button more. Then choose deposit. In the menu, choose fiat. Here we are. In first field, you need put amount of euros, how much you want to deposit. Then you choose a method between SEPA and Easy Bank payment. Be careful about fees, read carefully. Then press button. If you are not registered on the exchange yet, now is the time to register. I will leave the link in the description under the video. Continue and read some notes. Now we need to put payment details. Step 1. Choose your country. Step 2. Choose your bank from the list. Step 3. Choose payment method. Step 4. Put your IBAN account number. After that, check all details and press continue. Then, you will get screen with all details. If correct, press pay. After few minutes, you will receive message that deposit successful. You can check it pressing button, check assets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel.